My name's Jack. Let's have a look at the 2007 Jeep Commander that we've just got in for wrecking. It's a diesel. Car's done 300,000 kilometres. Pretty neat and tidy, to be honest. Car is a stat write-off due to water damage. Overall, the panels are in pretty damn good condition. The only thing that I would make a comment on, this is just a cover for the lens of the headlight. It's not the actual headlight itself. On the passenger's front side door, there is a big gouge in the center here. You can see it's also scraped that off. There is also some more ripples on the side here. I don't know, if a bit hard to tell on camera, but yeah, just there. Aside from that, panel wise, this car is mint. There's no other real damages. Paint's starting to chip off the rear bumper. Same on the right hand side here. Interior of the car is not too bad. Due to the amount of kilometres that it has done, there is obviously some wear and tear. Mostly seen on the driver's side. You can see here. Same as the passenger side here. It's not as bad obviously, but there is a little bit there. Car had been sitting for a while, so there is a little bit of mould on the seats as well, as seen here. But yeah, get an extractor vacuum with some chemicals and that'll come straight off. That's no big issue. Same with the back here, and a little bit over there too. Rear vents are damaged, or the passenger's one anyway. The rear vents work just by pushing this button here. If we come into the back, we can hear them going off. There, and we'll turn that off. Radio works. Car drives, which I'll jump into the front now. Let's drive forward as I need to park it over there. It's going off because I don't have my seatbelt on, but yeah, car drives forward perfectly fine. No issues at all. The vehicle is now available for dismantling. Please visit our website for any parts that you're after, or give our team a call on 03 5943 9100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.